Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little haul. Some of this stuff is from Dollar Tree. Oh, you guys don't need to see the boring stuff, but nail files. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these domes, really good quality, I feel like, because I feel like something like this at Michael's would be $5.99. I got these for my kids, but look, it comes with this inner piece so that you could decorate it, and then the lid that screws on for Christmas. Super cute. I think I got two of those. I better have. Yes, I did. I get two of those. And then I got this new just like little cutting mat. You know, I have a pink one, a little baby pink one, and I saw Wandy Sweets with like a cutting roller, and she tested it and it worked really well, but I didn't find the cutter, so I'm on the hunt for that. And then they had new trims from the last time I saw. So this is that wired edge. And this is like a bat one. This cute little pumpkin with like a witch hat. Different spooky faces on there. Super cute. And then this one just like a black and white. And the main reason I get like trims big like this is just to wrap stuff for Happy Meal and stuff. And then I got, oh, they have these soak off nail caps for like if you do gel polish, but I'm going to use these for fingertip things. Like when you're using hot glue, you just stick them on real quick, and it comes with 5 of them. I'm gonna use that. I went to Michael's too. This was from last week at Michael's. Basically these little cupcake, like the baking stuff, I think was 25, 30, 40%. I don't even know, 40%. But these cupcake toppers, it comes with a lot of them. How many are in here? 12 pieces for basically $1 when it was 40% off. But look how cute. I don't know why there's little like these pads, like they get rotten in there or something. But look how cute these are. Literally just like chop some of the stick off or pull the stick out. And when you're layering stuff in your projects, you could just like stick it in, you know, and have it popping out. Because by the time it's layered twice, it's kind of like a little baby chipboard, like a thin chipboard. So that's the only reason I got these. But you got a little witch hat, the trick or treat in that one. This one is the tombstones, and then this one says trick or treat, a spider, and like a holographic. I think that's perfect for layering like rosettes and stuff. So yeah, I thought that was a good deal. Got those at Michael's. Okay, so that's it from Dollar Tree and Michael's.